Hi there, my name is Cedric and I'm from TinuCare, and in this video I want to give you 7 tinnitus relief tips. Tip 1. Avoid silence. For a tinnitus patient, absolute silence is the biggest enemy. Now, the perception of background noises will reduce the contrast with your tinnitus, and eventually the ringing in your ears will therefore be less loud and disappear quickly from your awareness. Tip 2. A positive state of mind. Try to take away the negative association you have with your tinnitus. Remember that your mind filters sounds all the time when it doesn't have a negative association with it. Like for example the swallowing sound you make when you drink or eat, or the sound you make when you breathe. Tip 3. Relaxation. Now, stress can really make your tinnitus worse, and therefore it is important to relax from your tinnitus related stress and anxiety. Try to do breathing exercises or learn yoga techniques. Massages or tai chi can bring relief as well. Try to find what works best for you. Tip 4. Understanding tinnitus. It is really important that you know and understand what tinnitus is. Tinnitus is a symptom and not a disease. It is a natural sound your body produces. And remember that you're not alone. More than 200 million people worldwide experience tinnitus. Tip 5. A 10-second exercise. Allow each day to reflect on your reaction to your tinnitus for short periods. Meanwhile, do relaxation exercises to reduce your physical tension you feel. Try to reduce your frustration, irritation, or anxiety step by step. Recognize your emotional and physical reaction to your tinnitus. Tip 6. Reduce smoke and alcohol. Now, cigarettes and alcohol have a negative impact on your blood flow, resulting in making your tinnitus worse. Seek professional help if you cannot quit alone. And finally, tip 7. Shift your attention. Focusing too much on the tinnitus will only make it worse, and therefore it is important to shift your attention to other activities. Try hobbies, sport, or entertainment, or anything you like. Now, just know that it is 100% possible to have a happy, good life even with tinnitus. So, try to relax and have a positive state of mind. Take care.